Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about how you can see the levels of the hierarchy when you're using the filter of the data analyzer. This is part of the QRC 2 of 2023. Now, let me give you a quick example of how you can see the levels of the hierarchy. Right now, I'm already inside the data analyzer. Let's say that you want to add a new filter, and then you want to filter by account. Here you can see all the members of the account. And this one in particular, you can see that you can expand the node. And when you click, you can start to see the levels of the hierarchy. The same thing when we go to dimensions, and let's say that, for example, you want to filter by city, and here you can see the difference between the dimension and the attributes of that dimension. Before this update, all the members were represented as flat, and now it is a little bit more easier because users can identify the levels of the hierarchy or the difference between the dimension and the attributes. Let's do a quick review of what we discussed in this video. I showed you that now you can see the levels of the hierarchy when you use the filter of the data analyzer. Also, you can see the difference between the dimension and the attributes. Thank you very much for watching this video.